Hey guys, welcome back to JV Game. We're not here with brand new game. Soon we play Minecraft on laptop, PC, not Xbox. That will be coming back. I'll be upload like 2 hours or so. I got it. We're gonna be playing build battle. Okay, so we're gonna go on Hypixel and play build battle. It's gonna take a little while, but okay, here we go. It's a little glitchy, guys. Okay, little glitchy, guys. Very glitchy. Sorry, guys. We're gonna be playing build battle. Alright, here we go. Building train. Sorry guys if it's a little glitchy. There we go, it's a little better. So I'm gonna take pro mode, team, solo mode. Because I don't have Brandon with me, so we can't do teams. Alright. So we got bottle, space, pool, sun, tent. Tent. My vote is for tent. Alright, we got tent. Let's see. I want to make the tent green, like this green. I need fence. Gonna do dark oak. Alright, that's it. Let's start building. We're gonna have to start with the fence. Oh no, I broke the floor. I'm gonna make the floor grass anyway. I keep breaking the floor. Okay. So let's start to build. Actually, I want to build this way. So we're gonna. Oh no, that looks terrible. Now we need wool. Okay, so we're gonna use wool to go. We're gonna use this as a tent. Use this as the tent. You need to use a fence now. It's gonna be a little hard. Okay. We got 2 minutes. Ooh, God, that's hard. Let's break this. Okay, we gotta make more like a tent. This is uneven. Oh god, I gotta use like this to make a tent. I don't think I'm gonna get to the part of the tent. Let's back. I don't need that. Let's see, is this tent? Ooh, I need Needs to go big higher. The roof needs to be higher. Oh god, this is bad. This is bad. This is bad. I don't know why I picked 10. There we go, like that. Make a perimeter. Got 1 minute, that's good, I guess. We didn't get to people. Let's put this as the roof. Now we need to like go like that. Now I need to put the bottom. Okay, I think that's good. Let's make the pole sticking up. Hmm. Poop. I don't think so. Everybody gave me poop because I'm so bad. What is this? It's like a TP. I'm gonna give this poop. Super poop. They didn't really try. This is like an igloo. This is not even trying. This is super poop. I think I did pretty good. Not good. I don't know. This is not a tent. We're gonna do one more round after this. But yeah, let's see. This is not a tent. Like I'm gonna win. This is not a tent. Didn't even try at all. Did not try. Where is it? Where's the tent? Oh, I'm gonna give this an okay. They at least tried. It didn't even go in for me. I'm gonna say, oh, what? Okay. Okay, great, guys. What happened? Oh, this one. I didn't even see what I got. But that's fine. I'm gonna play one more round because I don't have that much time. Solo again. Okay, we're gonna start playing. Okay. We're started in 2-1. Okay. Okay, we got fly, umbrella, theme park, camp, or engine. Camp. I voted camp. I really want camp. Because I have my own camp. Yes! Camp. So I'm gonna build lots of trees. I need this. I need jungle leaves. And that doesn't really matter what it is. Jungle wood. Jungle wood, gonna burn. It's lots of trees, so I feel like this is gonna be easy. This is pretty easy. This is gonna be a high tree. Let's build a high tree. Okay, we need to like hurry. Oh, that was just two. Perfect. We got some lot of trees. This is gonna be a small tree because I need to get a lot of trees. And I need to build a campsite, like a tent and all. Not good at tents as you experienced, but gonna be okay. I think I know what I'm gonna do for the tent. Let's build another tall tree like that. Got enough time to build a tent and the campfire. The most important thing is to get trees because it'll pretty much really good. Okay, so we're gonna get another tree over here. It's gonna be a small tree. It's gonna be a small tree, guys. 30 minutes remaining. Okay, got this. This side. Do another one tree over here. Gotta do it fast. No, we don't want that. I gotta get to my building, to my thing. I'm gonna do like one here, one here, one here, one here. Perfect. Those are good enough trees. I'm just gonna put the leaves in there. Let's start putting the leaves around. I need to get to my campsite with the fire and all. Spent most of my time on the trees. Oh god. Need to do it. Alright, let's build a fire. We need stone. Oh, we need stone to build the fire. Let's build wood. We need flint. Okay, we need flint and steel. Okay, we got a fire. Let's build a tent. Let's build a tent. For 37 seconds. I think I can do it. Oh god. We're not gonna finish. We're gonna finish. I know. Just need to finish this. Finished. No, I didn't get to